As many firms operating in the Web3 ecosystem have done in recent times, American blockchain payments firm Ripple Labs Incorporated has shared its projections for the coming year through its executives. Veteran trader Raoul Pal claims Ripple is an opportunity of a lifetime. In another news, analyst says XRP could reach $5.50 in 2 weeks after breaking final wake-up line. While Ripple Labs said it asked its leaders for their take, 3 of the first of these predictions came from the firm's chief legal officer, CLO, Stuart Alderete. As a legal expert, it was not surprising to see Alderete's whole take hinged on the outlook on policy and U.S. crypto regulation for the coming year. Alderete started by projecting that the misguided lawsuit launched by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will finally be laid to rest in 2024. This year was a landmark one for Ripple Labs as the most concerning aspect of its lawsuit against the regulator was settled this year. Beginning in July, Judge Annalisa Torres declared that XRP is not in itself a security, and this verdict was upheld when she denied the regulator's request for interlocutory appeal. She, however, handed the regulator a win when she said Ripple Labs violated securities laws when it sold XRP to institutional investors. The settlement on this aspect of the case is what is left to be resolved by 2024. While Ripple Labs will be free, Alderete predicted that the Commission's regulation by enforcement tactics against other industry leaders will continue next year. Besides these projections, the Ripple Labs General Counsel also predicted that U.S. judges will be the last line of defense against the SEC's overreach. Just like it lost its case against Grayscale Investments, Alderete predicted that the regulator will continue to lose major issues in the courts. At the extreme, he projected that some of the cases would spill over to the Supreme Court. Lastly, the Ripple Labs executive predicted that Congress's intervention will be more pronounced next year. He said the lawmakers will agree in principle on crypto regulation but will disagree on the best course of action. This scenario, he noted, will create a stalemate that will confound crypto firms in the US while players in other parts of the world will ride on to make significant positive strides. Welcome to the Crypto World Educate. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's continue. Raoul Pal, a seasoned trader, has shared his thoughts on the future of Ripple, XRP. In the interview, Pal also revealed his strategic investment in XRP, calling the cryptocurrency a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Raoul Pal has shared thoughts on the potential future of Ripple, XRP. Speaking at the latest episode of the Crypto Law, the former Goldman Sachs executive revealed that he had made a strategic investment in the XRP coin despite the Ripple lawsuit. The veteran trader further explained that the XRP price declined due to the lawsuit, creating a great buy opportunity. Raoul Pal Ripple says it is an opportunity of a lifetime. He called XRP a great opportunity because of its real-world applications. The conversation focused on the likelihood of a Ripple price gain during this bull cycle. In this bull cycle, the interviewer, John Deaton, projected that the Ripple coin would reach a new all-time high. However, an all-time high for XRP will not occur until Bitcoin has initiated a full-fledged bull market. Deaton inquired from Pal if XRP could break free from Bitcoin's hold. Pal explained that although Ripple is one of the best cryptos, XRP decoupling from BTC would not occur. He stressed that the Bitcoin cycle is the market's macro cycle, affecting all assets. Amidst the Ripple excitement, another altcoin, Everlodge, ELDG, has caught the attention of the crypto community. Everlodge's latest integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into its property marketplace is causing quite a stir. Everlodge hopes to transform how we invest in homes on a global scale with this combination. For starters, the marketplace will allow users to invest in luxury houses from across the world. Everlodge has adopted NFT fractionalization to make these properties more affordable. This means that the properties are represented as NFTs, which are then broken down into shares, NFT fraction. With each share being available at only $100, everyone now has the chance to invest in real estate. The integration of advanced AI tools is aimed at helping investors make better investment choices. Another noteworthy news is market analyst XRP presenting a rather ambitious projection for XRP in the short term, predicting the crypto asset to reach a price of $5.50 in the next 2 weeks. XRP's latest report is built on a previous analysis of XRP. In a May 22 post, the analyst drew out a downward sloping trend line he calls the final wake-up line. XRP has continued to trade underneath this trend line since 2018, as it registered lower highs. At the time of XRP's initial analysis, XRP changed hands at $0.4639. The market analyst predicted that XRP could move to 85 cents or $1 as its first price target when it breaks above the final wake-up line. He set up other targets at $5.50 and $6.40. Interestingly, upon staging a break above the final wake-up line in July, XRP rallied to the 93 cents zone, which lies between the 85 cents and $1 price targets. After hitting this first target, the crypto asset faced a correction, dropping from the 93 cents high and retracing all the gains of July. However, in his latest report, XRP confirmed that XRP successfully clinched the first target of 85 cents-$1. Amid the current market realities, the chartist projected that the market could see XRP hit the second target of $5.50 in the next 2 weeks. This price projection has triggered skepticism within the XRP community, given the cryptocurrency's abysmal performance in the wake of the recent bull rally. Nonetheless, XRP remains unfazed, confident that XRP would not disappoint in the long run.